Yeah, the western coast, about 300 kilometres from oh, well, that's one way we know from the document evidence, but we also know from
What? Oh, alcohol for washing your hands here?
Is that real?
The spices? Yeah, it looks real. But it sat there for a while, so you don't want to eat it. It sat there for a while. Nutmeg, cinnamon, it's real spices.
Do you know what these are?
No.
They're pumps.
That's really good.
Pump out the bilge.
I can imagine that.
Yeah, so that was 1606. We believe they're the first Europeans that we have written evidence of stepping onto Australian soil.
Quite a lot.
So it's really important. This ship.
Yes, really.
How many passengers can be?
Oh, how many passengers? You mean how many sailors? You had your captain and your commercial man up there, but 20 people
Oh,
to sail.
yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
ทานแล้วเอาอะไรทำไมทานแล้วเอาอะไรเจาะล่ะ
That's okay. Enjoy the rest of the day. Good stuff. Quite sure it was either 1999 or 2000. The original was built in 1595
Oh, okay.
and came to Australia in 1606.
Quite a lot.
Yeah, Cape York Peninsula. They mapped about 330 kilometres of it. So that's how we know, they reached Australia, the western coast of Cape York Peninsula.
Okay.
Yeah, they thought it was hidden gold or whatever down here. So while the other ships in the fleet were getting filled up with all the spices, this came south to see what was there, and that's
Just hanging around. to
And
see.
so it's the first written evidence we have.
Yeah.
Also, it's come down with from Aboriginal stories
Really?
about the Europeans. Coming
Yeah, that would be shocking just like seeing something like coming.
Oh
Like,
yeah,
out of
yeah.
nowhere.
It wasn't very happy.
No,
the meeting between the
I
two.
can imagine that.
Yeah,
That's cool.
yeah. So that was 1606. We believe they're the first Europeans that we have written evidence of stepping onto Australian soil.
Quite a lot.
So it's really important. This ship.
Yes, really.
How many passengers can be?
Oh, how many passengers? You mean how many sailors? You had your. You saw there were two places for the people to sleep, one on either side in the cabin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there was the captain, that's the captain's cabin.
Uh-huh.
And on the other side would have been the commercial man, the man who looked after the spices and the money. 'Cause
Oh.
that was a lot of money that
Yeah.
they were carrying in those days. Yeah, a handful of spice, buy your house.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, you can imagine this all full. And this was the smallest boat in the fleet.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you always had a commercial person on board as well. So they got that, and the 20 people slept
Over here.
Yeah, out here and under there.
Wow.
Because they wouldn't put them down with the spices and being so worth so much.
That's actually a lot of people for these
20,
sheep.
yeah.
It's really small for that much. It's cool.
Yeah. You see where the guys are standing there? Underneath that bit there, that's where the cook could do his work.
Oh,
All the
okay,
cooking
that's
took place
wow.
there, yeah. All
That must be
weathers.
really uncomfortable. How old is this ship?
This was built in, now I'm not quite sure, it was either 1999 or 2000.